Hi friends, two things I gotta do. One is over there, the brake. I got the metal for the brake, and the other one was a indexer. We all know what an indexer is, don't we? Well, let me take you over there. I've seen a few made which actually fits behind the behind there, because you've got 3 threads. You see, but this end is a blank canvas, isn't it, really? So I was going to make something to fit it on there, which goes into there on a taper and will spin on here. You can just pop it out from the other end when you don't want it. So that thing there will have to go, and we'll think about it. I've got a few indexing pleats here, and this stuff is pretty thick. It's about 3/8 thick, so it's plenty to screw on. And because then you've got to make a thing for your tool post to be able to slide something on there to be drilling or cutting whatever you're indexing. So yeah, I've got a dividing head, but it's just massive, and that is heavy, which does fit up on there occasionally when that is in use. These are due for the scrapyard, but we're just going to go for it, alright? As usual, we're just going to go for it. Ah. Us Welsh knows how to bleed. Let's go with that shit. I'm going to make a plate now to fit on there, which I think I'll nut and bolt. 4 bolts. I'm going to make it that shape so it looks like it's always been on there. We'll put the lock pin somewhere accessible. Right, that's it so far. We're going to drill a hole in there now. Dead center. I just made that out of a piece of wood. I'm hoping to fit that in there. Like that. There's my middle. We got to drill a hole in that back plate, that big, this direction, and then we'll come back through the other way with the bigger directions. Right, there's your hole. It takes a good sized drill. Now we're going to try that. That's my key. Simple as that. we're going to cut a bar about that long, and we're going to put a collar on it so it don't go too far in, and we're going to put a collar in it so we can get it back out. Bit long, but the thought was there, wasn't it? I'm hoping to screw that on there. And that's it. Nobody's going to be swinging on you. It's not a Tarzan job. It's a purely get up and boogie. Get up and boogie. I'm going to spanner to fit there. Fucking hell. I amazes myself when I find a spanner. Over here, boys. That is going to go there. And you set it. That'll be. You can't do it with that. That'll be out of here. And then you just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. I left the collar on it. So we're going to make that hole slightly bigger, or take the collar off. The collar, not the fucking collar. So I had a chat with my supervisors, and they said make the hole bigger. Now if I would have known this earlier, obviously I would have done a hole cutter, which would have saved 10,000 hours. Time doll. I can't beat a good pee in the morning. Afternoon, fucking nearly night. Let's take it back off. Let's take it back off. Now there's a hole in my bench. Should fit into. It's not centre, but we can guess centre, which is about there. Now we're going to put that on there like that. So it swings from there to there. 47, 45, 43, 42. This is down to 29. So I'm going to weld 2 bits of square on there, so this cannot possibly go either direction. Then we're going to weld we're going to drill an hole through there, put a bush on the back here so this slides up and down, up and down, up and down, down, down. It's another rubber trap plant because he got high hopes. He got high hopes. He got high apple pie in the sky hopes. Do you give up? Do you give up on the songs? I know a fucking lot of old songs. A fucking lot of them. So what I did is I saw that square tube in half. That now fits in there. Yes, you guessed it. It's still fucking hot. Let's just chuck that in there. So that goes there. Give us that thing now, it should be curled. Got a rag? Got a rag? Yep, you got it. That's going to be just tacked on there, and then that's going to fit in there and slide all the way up to there. are all the way down to there. So if we go there, tack tack, it's heavier than it looks, okay? It's heavier than it looks. Right, I want to weld it under here, please. Right, that's about 1/8 of an inch high. I want it flush. So if it's not in use, I can loosen that off and swing it around. So there's no way, if this is spinning, because I've left it in there, if that's spinning, it'll hurt anything. With me? Drill a nail through there. Of it all. Put 2 washers in there. Get another one just for fun. Wait. Shove that in there. I want to just drop these sides a bit. Come on, you fucking... Oh, you done it with a spanner, didn't you? You know, I hope you're not watching. That's just a little slight little rattle. So now it's welded and hot. You funny girl. I'm gonna try and persuade it. To bend a bit. Still a little bit of slop. There was a bit of slop in there, but no, it slides nicely. It will do. It will do. It'll do. And there will be another washer on there later. No colors anymore, I want them to turn black. I see a red door and I want to turn it black. We're nearly done, done. Right, I got some star washers this time. I know it's not the best in the world, but I can assure you it will work, and it has got a use. Things are going well today. Shut that up. Shut that door. Just found a nut. My luck today is quite unbelievable. So if it's not in use and I want to turn something on a lathe, I can just turn it that way, lock it down, and there's nothing stopping me. So that's it. Then you purely knock it out of here. You set your cross slide, and then we're going to make a thing to fit for a small drill type tool, and then it's just a matter of undoing that. This'll drop into that slide like that. So you get it on your first. You get it on your first oar, which is there. Lock that down. Now that is completely locked off. That will not move. Then you undo that. Move your job around to hole 6. And then that screws back into hole 6. And then you do your business this end. Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. That can't come loose, that can't come loose. If you want the wheel back out, just knock it back out. If it's not hurting, leave it fucking in there. Thanks for watching. A quick indexing plate. So you've got to work out how many teeth you want, divided by whatever numbers on there. And that's it really. It's quite a simple one, huh? See if I can get close for you. Simple as that, locked, undo, swing it where you want it, whatever radius you're doing, which is, that's 43. Undo that, drop the pin in, and there you are, locked off. Take it up to here, and you're ready to go. Right, that's that done. What's next? Go up and strangle her? No. We gotta do behind there 2 big lumps of angle iron. We got to make a break. Make or break. Cheers all. Clank click, clank click. Move it 4, move it 4, move it 1, move it 10. So whatever that is, it's got to be an equal number, hasn't it? So I'm going to start counting. This one got 60 teeth. I counted them and then turned it over to find there it says 60. I'm going to have a good day, and you can see that straight away. Fucking hell, stinks in there. Wet hands! I could have electrocuted myself. Mary Lou. And I haven't even started. It's a little nick on the knuckle. It's a little nick on the knuckle. Just in a bad place, you can't get no installation tape around it, can you? Right. There's time and places to bleed. Us Welsh knows how to bleed. Here we go again. Here we fucking go again. I gotta go to the van and get some metal. Metal glue, here's a tune, yeah, yeah, yeah. It'll fucking do. We had to change a plan we did when he wasn't looking. Because I remembered somewhere I had one of these. We got the hole cutter and we got the big mother tucker. So I'd rather leave the colour on there. The colour. I'd rather leave the colour on there. Right, this can go on now. No, it can't. Yes, it can. It's going on, but not. Find the indexer. Big thing with fucking holes in. There it is. Let me just. My granddaughter's home. She's either singing or blasting fucking shite music. Both is pretty fucking annoying. But let's have a scrange. There's people out there saying, over there, over there. Why don't you go over there? Why don't I go sucking somewhere? I found this one. You'd be surprised what crap I hide out there. Don't laugh at me, 'cause I'm no fool. Norman wisdom. And we'll start thinking about this. I got sort of idea, I think. That's rubbish. Want a picture, want a picture, what the limp, dum 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 dum, put it in your family.